Imagine a future where simple infections become deadly again, where a small cut on your finger could kill you, where surgery becomes life-threatening, not because of the operation, but because antibiotics no longer work. This is not science fiction. This is the future scientists are warning us about. Today, however, a team of researchers has delivered a breakthrough that may completely change the fate of medicine, and they did it using robots. In this video, I'll explain how robotics and advanced chemistry have combined to discover a powerful new path toward fighting antibiotic-resistant bacteria, and why this could become one of the most important medical revolutions of our time. Watch till the end because what you are about to learn affects every human alive. Section 1. The Global Antibiotic Crisis. Antibiotics are the foundation of modern medicine. Without them, routine surgeries, cancer treatments, organ transplants, and even childbirth become extremely dangerous. Yet today, antibiotics are failing. Bacteria are evolving faster than our ability to kill them. These new bacteria, called superbugs, are resistant to almost every drug we have. Every year, over 1 million people die from antibiotic-resistant infections. By 2050, scientists estimate that number could rise to 10 million per year, surpassing cancer. Why is this happening? Because bacteria reproduce incredibly fast. Each time we use antibiotics incorrectly, incomplete doses, unnecessary prescriptions, agricultural overuse, we train bacteria to survive. And here is the most frightening part: new antibiotics are not being discovered fast enough. Pharmaceutical companies have largely abandoned antibiotic research. It costs billions of dollars to develop a new drug, but antibiotics are used for short periods and generate less profit than chronic medications. So the pipeline has nearly collapsed. The world is running out of antibiotics. Section 2. Why traditional discovery is failing. For decades, antibiotic discovery followed the same method. Scientists create carbon-based molecules and test them against bacteria. These molecules are mostly flat and limited in structure. Over time, bacteria learned how to block them, break them, or pump them out. Innovation slowed. Costs rose. Success rates collapsed. Then scientists asked a dangerous but necessary question: what if the entire approach is wrong? What if instead of carbon-based drugs, we explore something radically different? Section 3. The Metal Revolution. The breakthrough came from an unexpected idea: metal-based antibiotics. Metals form complex three-dimensional molecular structures that interact with bacteria in new ways. Unlike traditional flat molecules, these metal compounds attack bacteria from multiple angles at once, making it far harder for resistance to develop. But exploring this vast chemical space manually would take decades. So the scientists did something revolutionary. They built a robot. Section 4. Robotic chemistry begins. Using robotics combined with a technique called click chemistry, researchers automated the entire drug-building process. Click chemistry allows molecules to assemble rapidly and reliably. The robot mixed over 200 molecular building blocks with 5 different metals automatically. In just 7 days, the robot created more than 700 completely new chemical compounds. What would normally take years happened in 1 week. Then came the screening. The compounds were tested against dangerous bacteria, including MRSA, one of the most deadly superbugs known. The result shocked the scientific world. Section 5. The iridium breakthrough. Among the compounds, one stood out. An iridium-based compound showed extraordinary power. It destroyed bacteria efficiently. It killed drug-resistant strains, and most importantly, it showed no toxicity to healthy human cells. This is the holy grail of medicine: high effectiveness with low side effects. For decades, metal-based drugs were assumed to be too toxic. This discovery proves that assumption wrong. Section 6. Why this changes everything. This discovery is not just about one drug. It introduces an entirely new discovery model. Robotic chemistry platforms that explore chemical space continuously, rapidly, and intelligently. Instead of searching for a needle in a haystack, we now build entire haystacks and scan them automatically. The robot does not get tired. It does not make human errors. It works day and night. This method can be applied to new antibiotics, cancer drugs, antiviral treatments, materials science, energy technologies. Medicine has officially entered the automation age. Section 7. The road ahead. Of course, this is only the beginning. The compound must go through extensive animal testing, human clinical trials, safety evaluations, regulatory approval, large-scale manufacturing, but the foundation is now built. The bottleneck of discovery has been broken. Section 8. What this means for humanity. If this technology reaches maturity, the future of medicine changes forever. We could finally outpace bacterial evolution. We could end the superbug crisis. We could make surgery safer, cancer treatments stronger, and infections manageable again. Most importantly, we would no longer fear a post-antibiotic world. Conclusion? This is not just a scientific breakthrough. This is a turning point in human history. For the first time, machines are not just helping us treat disease, they are discovering cures. The age of robotic medicine has begun. If this discovery excites you, imagine what comes next. Like this video, subscribe for more science breakthroughs. And tell me in the comments, do you believe robots will become the doctors of the future? Thank you for watching.